begin by opening the Word. Now, let's create a new blank document. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change text variables. So, begin by typing something. Now, we can start by making this bold. Hold the left click and then move your cursor. This will put a grey highlight on your text. Now, on this menu, we can select B for bold. Then, if we want to change it to italics, we can select the I. And finally, the underline is this U with a small line underneath it. I'm going to keep this so it's just bold. Alternatively, we can use the keyboard shortcuts. For bold, this is Control and B, or if you're on a Mac, Command and B. For italics, it's Control and I, or Command and I. And then finally for underlining, it's Control and U, or Command and U. Alright, now we can change the colour of the text. As far as I know, there's no keyboard shortcut for doing this. Once again, we can highlight the text and change it from here. Or, just like how we could have before, we can change it from this top menu here. So, we can click the little arrow next to the font colour, and then we can set a colour from this colour palette. If the colour that you like is not here, we can always click More Colours, which will bring up a full hexagonal palette here. So I can choose this perfect red, this one here. Then click OK, and you'll end up with some text looking like this. Now we can change the font. The font can be changed from here or from up here. So let's select the little arrow next to here. Now we'll be given a list of fonts. You'll have your recently used fonts and all fonts. If you're always using one font, you'll find it in the recently used. So then you can carry on using it all the time. I want to use my own font that I've created myself. I will leave a download link for this font in the description. Now, if your text doesn't look quite right in lowercase, then we can make it capital. This is really easy. We need to find this icon here, which is called Change Case. So click it once with the left mouse button. Now we have the options of lowercase, sentence case, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. So I'm going to just go with the uppercase. That nearly looks perfect, but now I think I need a highlight on it. To get the right highlight, we can select the little arrow next to this text highlight colour icon and choose from here. I'm going to go with this grey. Now, finally, we can change the text size, these icons, or go more in depth with here. Thanks for watching, and please tune in for the next Word tutorial. Goodbye.